Look at the wild ancestors of our dogs and cats. They lived with high vitality, powerful immune systems, and almost no instances of the chronic allergies or anxiety that now affect millions of modern pets. When we brought these animals into our homes and sterilized their environment, we assumed we were making them safer. In reality, domestication stripped away the crucial environmental microbes they once ingested daily. They no longer had access to the rich soil, wild prey, or raw nature that kept their biological systems in balance. By removing pets from this natural microbial environment, we systematically starved the very defense systems designed to protect them. When a modern pet gets sick, the standard response is often a round of broad-spectrum antibiotics. These drugs kill the harmful pathogens, but they also obliterate the entire healthy gut microbiome. To address the resulting digestive issues, many owners are told to use a standard veterinary probiotic, one that typically contains only a single strain of bacteria. Think of a healthy gut like a diverse wildflower garden. An antibiotic acts like a bulldozer, clearing every living thing. Replanting that dirt with a single bacterial species creates a monoculture. This single strain takes over, preventing the diversity needed for long-term health. This lack of diversity leaves the pet vulnerable. Without a varied ecosystem to compete for resources, the gut often falls victim to secondary infections, yeast overgrowth, and chronic autoimmune issues. Treating a complex ecosystem with a single strain band-aid often leads to chronic illness rather than a lasting cure. Probiotics are the microscopic workers of the gut. To be effective, they must be tailored to the specific biology of the animal ingesting them. Many common pet supplements use bacterial strains derived from humans or cows. Clinical testing shows that the highly acidic stomach environment of a dog or cat easily destroys these generic strains before they can provide any benefit. The evolutionary solution is to use species-specific bacteria isolated directly from the feces of healthy wildcats and wild wolves. These bacterial workers need food, known as prebiotics. While most supplements use cheap, simple sugars, a functional prebiotic mirrors the complex fibers found in an ancestral diet. Wild predators naturally consume these complex prebiotics from the stomach contents of their prey. Ingredients like larch tree bark provide the specific nutrients these specialized bacteria need to thrive. Feeding these species-specific bacteria their natural food source triggers the production of the gut's most important health-promoting compounds. Postbiotics are metabolic byproducts created when probiotics break down functional prebiotics. These molecules, like short-chain fatty acids, are the actual drivers of health. They physically repair the gut lining's permeability. By patching gaps in the cellular wall, they stop toxins from leaking into the bloodstream. This sealed, healthy gut acts as the body's conductor. It actively modulates the immune system, stopping the overreactions that lead to severe skin allergies. The gut also communicates directly with the brain. A balanced microbiome regulates the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, providing a biological pathway to reduce fear aggression and chronic anxiety. Healing the microbiome does more than fix digestion. It physically rewires a pet's immune response and psychological stability. We have to move past viewing probiotics as a temporary, reactive medicine, given only after an illness or a round of antibiotics. A better strategy is to actively cultivate internal diversity. This means rotating through different multi-strain supplements over time to build a varied bacterial population. It also helps to allow pets to interact with natural, unsterilized environments where they can absorb beneficial, soil-based bacteria. This continuous rotation of diverse strains and functional prebiotics builds an inner ecosystem capable of defending against modern environmental toxins. By respecting the ancestral intelligence of the microbiome, we aren't just managing symptoms, we are restoring the natural resilience our pets evolved to maintain.